Hello and welcome to Story Train tutorial. This is what the exercise will look like when you load it up. There are instructions on the page to tell you what to do. Let's give it a go. So, we need to press and drag the pictures to put them into the correct order. You can check your answer by clicking the check button, and it will tell you which ones are correct and which ones are not. First, we would have a whole pizza, so this one needs to go first. Next, we can see that some of the pizza slices are missing. This one must go in the middle. And finally, we can see that the whole pizza has been eaten. This one must be at the end. Let's check and see if we're right. Amazing. Let's press go and get to the next exercise. If you're doing this exercise with a child, you can help them by modelling the language. For example, you can say, here it looks like we've got a picture of a boy playing with some Legos and making a tower. Which thing do you think happens first? That's right. First, he is getting his pieces ready to build a tower. Let's drag that into the first position. What happens next? It looks like in this picture he's still building his tower because he's got some Lego pieces left on the table. But in this picture it looks like his tower is finished. So which one do you think happens next? Does he keep building his tower and then finish it? Or does he finish his tower and then keep building it? That's right. Next, he keeps building his tower. And then he's finished. You can then also speak back the model sentence to the child before checking your answers. So you could say, first, we have a boy who is getting ready to build his tower. Next, the boy is building his tower. And then the tower is finished. Let's check and see what we get. There are also tips that you can look at in the top right-hand corner, which tell you how to do the exercise and words that you can model to help your child's language. When you've finished the exercise, you'll get experience points for completing the exercise. You can either repeat the activity or go back to the home page and choose a different exercise to practice. I hope this is helpful and I hope you enjoy using Story Train with Chatterdillo.